We both became interested in BMWs. This is going to be my first time test driving. Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven, and today I want to tell you a story about how I finally bought a new car. If you have been following me, if you have been watching my vlogs, you may recall that a whole year ago, I went car shopping, and at that time, I really wanted a G-Wagon. Now, just for reference, just to kind of set the scene here, I have never owned like a nice new brand new car ever in my life. I've had 2 cars in my whole life. Just for like a little bit of like back story, even before I get into that, I have always struggled with driving anxiety. So it took me a long time to overcome that, and I did not get my license until I was 21 or 22 years old. So up until that point, I was not driving, did not have a car. Then when I finally got my license, my parents got me a little Ford Focus, I think it was. And then I totaled it shortly after, which was just basically all of my worst nightmares coming true. Luckily, nobody was hurt in the accident or anything like that. I actually did do a whole video about all the driver's anxiety and everything in the car accident. If you guys want to watch that video, feel free. But yeah, totaled my little Ford, and then didn't have a car for a long time until I was able to buy my own car, which was when I was pregnant with Zaya. So about 4 years ago, I was pregnant. I'm like, I'm gonna have to have a car when I have this baby. So I went and bought a 2012 Ford Escape. Now that was in 2016, so it was already a little bit old at that point, but it was in good condition. Really liked it, and I honestly still like that car, which is part of the reason why I continued driving it for the past 4 years, and that is what, you know, I was currently still driving. So let me just give you a little view of what my current car looks like, the 2012 Ford Escape, just so you can see where I'm starting from. Here she is, old Bessie. I don't know, I never named her, but this is my 2012 Ford Escape, my little SUV. This is what she looks like. You know, state of the art. Super technologically advanced, pristine. No, obviously it's an older car. It's 2012, so there's no screens, there's no nothing, there's no Bluetooth connectivity. To listen to music, I just have a good old-fashioned aux cord with an adapter to actually be able to go into my iPhone. Good old-fashioned phone charger where it's plugged into this. Is it still called a cigarette lighter? Because I know that's what they were called back in the day. Old-fashioned compartment. 2 more cup holders right here. And you know, here are the seats, nice black leather seats. I really do like the black interior. That's why I will be getting black interior with my new car as well. But just standard seats, nothing, not like super adjustable. It's just your basic this way, and you know, nothing crazy. And then the back of my car is utterly destroyed because this is Zaya's doing. She comes from school with so much mud and dirt and sand and just ridiculousness that literally, like, I would have to get my car detailed once a week, and I definitely don't do that. So because I don't do that, this is what my carpets look like. Delicious, I know. You know how cars these days have like a lot of stuff for the back seat? There ain't nothing for the back seat back here. So Zaya, she's just be chilling. But yeah, here she is, black with silver trim and all black interior. So yeah, that's my current car. That's the car that I've had for the past 4 years. Only the second car I've ever had. Like, look, I'm not complaining. I haven't had really any major issues with this car. This car has served me well. And I think it's a cute little car, a cute little mom mobile. I mean, it's done its job. It gets me from point A to point B. Really wasn't too worried about it, but you know, I just feel like I deserve a new car. I've reached a lot of major goals recently. You know, I got my money right, saved up, and I think it's finally time for me to get a nice new car. But not just me. Chef Tony also has been driving the same Toyota Venza for the past 10 years. And she's like that. She drove the car she had before that. I think she drove it for 10 years. So she'd just be driving her cars till the wheels fall off, literally. I mean, I guess that's just kind of how we are in my family. But she also was to the point now where she felt like she deserved a nice new car. So it just ended up working out that we both became interested in BMWs. I liked the BMW X5 and my mom liked the BMW X3, which is like the same car, but a little bit smaller. So I thought, wouldn't it be cute if we got matching mother-daughter cars for our birthday? Because September is both of our birthday months. My birthday is on the 17th. Her birthday is on the 22nd. We're both Virgos. A lot of you guys have picked up on that from the way that we act in my vlogs and stuff. So yes, we are both Virgos. And I thought it would be really nice for us to get brand new matching BMWs for our birthday this year.
Yes, this nice. This interior, this is what you were looking at. You were like, doesn't it come in? I thought you didn't like this mesh. Do you like that?
Not really. It looks a little more
masculine.
Yeah.
This one, it doesn't look like it, but it's much bigger, longer, and wider than your car.
I like the X5. With the executive package, I might have a diamond thingy, whatever this is called. So I'm ready for my first, I've looked at this car about 12 times, but never drove it. So this is going to be my first time test driving the 2021 BMW X5. And here we are test driving one that has the premium package, which is something I'm interested in, with a lot of features and cool things. This is very, very different than the current car that I drive, which is the 2012, which has like none of this. So even like the shifter is like way different, and I would have to like really get used to it. But a lot of nice features, very nice extra chair thingies that make it more comfortable for long legs. This thing like comes out and comes up for longer legs. A lot of adjustments in the chair, a lot of digital technology type things. So we're gonna drive it and see how it goes. So far, so good. My dad was worried that I was gonna think this car was like too big, but it feels the same size as my current car. Honestly, I don't really notice a size difference. It doesn't feel different in that sense when I'm driving it. My seat, like where I am in the car, feels very wrong right now, but I think that's just because I need to fix my seat. Initial thoughts? I mean, I don't think it's anything specific to this car. It's just I drive such an old car and I've never driven anything else, so any new car that I drive is gonna feel way different. So I can definitely feel the differences, and it's just like a lot to look at and a lot to learn, but I like it. So yeah, at this point it had already been a year since I originally kind of decided that I liked this car. Same thing for my mom. So we pretty much knew what we wanted. It was just about like finding the exact colors and features and things that we wanted and actually like pulling the trigger to actually buy the cars. So my mom was more so looking at very, very gently used, it's actually still considered new cars, because she was looking at loaner cars and she had already kind of done some research and saw that there was some available. It would just kind of help her get a little bit of a lower price, but essentially it's a like new car because it's only been driven like a tiny bit. And I was looking into brand new, like 2021. And by the time that I had narrowed in on what features I wanted, I came to the conclusion that I would have to like special order it, because with all the exact features and colors that I wanted, they didn't have any just sitting on the lot ready to go with everything that I wanted. So I kind of already knew that I was gonna have to just order it. So we just went through all the options on the online thing where you like build your car online, which I kind of looked at it on my own, but I didn't realize that there was more options that you can add on, or like more to choose from. So I actually picked out all of my exact options. He printed it out for me. It's a BMW X5 S to Drive 40i 2021 model. with the M Sport package because that gives you like a sportier look with more black trim and stuff. I'm getting the mineral white, which is more of a like a metallic sparkly white. The interior is going to be black leather interior with the kind of classic looking wood trim. I'm getting the parking assistance package. It's got the premium package with all the like technology features. Extended shadow line trim, which is like more of the outside stuff is blacked out, like blacked out grille and stuff, so it'll really be like white on black and not so much of the like silver stuff. Heated seats, heated armrest and steering wheel, and a space saver option in the trunk.
As for me
in my home, we don't serve this BMW.
It's a no, dog. They don't have what I want. You're not happy with
any of these great options he gave you. He's offering some great deals.
He offered to relieve me of a whole lot of my money. That's what he offered.
And the car that he's giving her the best deal on is a nice black color, which I think looks better than the colors that she likes. She likes all the weird green, brown, diarrhea colors. So I'm like, you should just get the black one because it's prettier anyway.
I just don't want the black car.
But she don't want the black car, even though it's a good deal. So she's still shopping, I guess. But I'm ordering mine, by the way. This is all special order because I want all these specific things. So he's doing the order right now. He says it's gonna take like 5 weeks. I'm ready. I'm like, this is what I want. This is what I'm getting. Order it. My mom, she's sad.
Well, I thought I was going to get this charcoal gray one that is a, what do you call it, courtesy car? But now he's telling me it's only got so many miles on it and they got to put some more miles on it before they can sell it.
So they're not ready to sell the one that she thought she was going to get. And then he offered her a nice black one. And she don't want black. We could be so cute with our white and black cars. Matching. Maybe you'll look into the Corpus Christi one or no?
No, I don't ever want to.
So what's your next move? Wait for the other charcoal one?
I guess.
So my mom ended up going back and forth with this poor man at the dealership for a long time, for like at least 3 to 4 hours, honestly, because my mom was doing some heavy negotiating, trying to find one that she liked for the price that she wanted, with the color that she wanted, everything like that. Okay, update. After a lot of negotiating and deal making, there was a final deal put on the table for the actual color and car that she wanted, and she got the price brought down to a reasonable price. And what?
I got my Christmas bonus early.
Yeah, so with her receiving her Raven Elyse TV Christmas bonus a little early, she was.
I ain't never got a Christmas bonus.
We're doing Christmas bonuses this year apparently, and we're doing it in August apparently. So with that, she was happy with the price, and she signed the paperwork. So she's getting her car, and they have the car here right now, so she might be able to get it today.
Ooh.
This is it, my mom's car that she just got 27 deals on. It's a charcoal gray X3. Oh, with the black interior. So we're both gonna have black interior. Her has sport stitching. It has the, because this is what I was trying to pick on mine, if I wanted the wood grain or this metal. So hers has the metal thing, which I didn't really like, but she says she's fine with it. Sport stitching on the seats. It was priced at $51. She got it for $43 after a lot of negotiating. Today is literally August 31st. So the salesman, I think, is trying to meet his quota, and he's doing a lot of deals because it's the end of the month. So I think that worked in her favor today. The one that she ended up getting actually had more upgraded features than what she was originally asking for, and she got it for a lower price than what her original kind of like budget was. So she ended up getting a really good deal. And before y'all even start speculating or start asking, because I know it's gonna come up, did you buy your mom a car? Are you buying both of these cars outright for you and your mom? No, I am not. I will say that I am in a way responsible for part of the cost. I'm helping my mom get this car. Let's just say that. I'm helping my mom get this car, and then I am buying my own car. But I did not outright buy this whole car for my mom. I just want to put that out there because I'm not trying to fake flex. I'm not trying to claim something that I didn't really do and have y'all looking all in my pockets like that. I am helping my mom get this car. I did get my own car. Let's just leave it at that. But yeah, so I went ahead and just ordered mine. It was pretty crazy how easy it was. It was literally just like, almost like just placing an online order, like ordering a shirt or something online, because what is the proper term for the car dealership man? I feel like I should not be calling him car dealership man. Salesperson, the BMW sales representative, basically took me through all the options, because there's all these different premium add-ons. And do you want to add on this for an extra $500? Do you want to add on this for an extra $5,000? What features do you want? What colors do you want for the exterior, the interior, the this, the that? So he had everything pulled up online, and we just kind of went through and was like, okay, what do you want? Click, 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 click. Just like you're picking your colors and your sizes, like I said, for clothes. And then he's like, okay, I'm gonna go place the order for you. Boop, place the order. And I'm like, did you really just do that? For a moment there, I was like, dang, I really just ordered a whole car. By far the most expensive thing that I've ever placed an online order for. That was like kind of wild. So my mom just signed her life away. She did all her paperwork. So now we're cleaning out the old car. She's really getting a new one today. Right now. How do you feel?
I'm scared. What have I done?
You scared?
What have I done?
How many years did you have this car?
10 years.
And how many miles?
Let's see. Let me start it up one last time. 232,000 miles. This was the thing back in the day. It was just so modern and pretty.
She took really good care of it. Everybody says like, wow, you had this car for 10 years, that many miles, it looks good. You know, it served its purpose. But now it's time to go. This old doo-doo brown car. I always hated the color. It was the only color available when she got it.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did this. I'm never prepared for like buying something. I'm just like, I didn't know I was gonna do that. Oh, who uses a map? 1999.
Why do you even have that?
No, I don't know. Nobody ever opens the glove compartment.
I'm jealous because my car is gonna take 4 weeks to get here, so I have to literally wait a month till I get to have mine. But I mean, it's ordered. I did it. So now I just have to wait. There it is, ready to go. They cleaned it up, detailed it, and put a full tank of gas in it. He said, wow.
It has the black trim.
Yeah, it's sporty like mine. Yeah, I like the black detailing. It's very luxe. First time getting in the new whip, official. Ooh, nice seats. I don't even know, what is this? Feels like there's something inside of there. Oh, there it goes. Wow. And look at the song that's on right now. Wow, by Post Malone. Very fitting. Wow. Very nice. I know I'm probably giving y'all horrible camera work. I don't know how to make like a cool car tour video. When my car comes in, I'll figure out how to make a cool car tour video, and I'll do like a cool, like let you see all the features and give you like a good view of it. Cause just wait till my car come in, okay? This is nice. But wait till you see mine. But yeah, I still have to wait a couple of weeks for my car to come in, but as soon as I get it, you guys will be able to see it, and I'll be able to kind of show you guys all the features and everything. If you're interested, I can do a car tour video and show you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you would be interested in a car tour, because I just feel like that's kind of like really random for my channel, but I'm just really excited about it. Like I said, I have never had a brand new car. I have never, this whole buying a new car thing is very new and very exciting for me. So I'm kind of like, yeah, let's do a car tour. Let's do a whole video about it. But I don't know if y'all really want to see that. So let me know if y'all want to see that. And yeah, stay tuned, because your girl is finally gonna have some new wheels. I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming.